common? Yes, ordinary, not even close. Pigeons are everywhere, from bustling cities to quiet cliffs. But there's a lot more to these birds than meets the eye. They're master navigators, clever problem solvers, and some of the most successful animals on the planet. In this episode of Wild Wonders, we'll take a closer look at the birds you thought you knew. Welcome to the extraordinary world of pigeons. Pigeons are world travelers, and they've lived alongside humans for thousands of years. Long ago, wild pigeons nested on rocky cliffs and seaside caves, but today you'll find them in parks, rooftops, train stations, and city streets around the globe. Pigeons are incredibly adaptable. They thrive in deserts, forests, farms, and bustling urban landscapes. Wherever people go, pigeons often follow, building nests in hidden corners and feeding on seeds, grains, and crumbs. Most of the pigeons we see today are descendants of the rock dove, native to Europe, North Africa, and parts of Asia. Humans helped spread pigeons worldwide, raising them for food, sport, and even carrying messages. In this segment, we'll explore how pigeons went from wild cliffs to global cities and why they're still going strong. Pigeons may look simple, but their bodies are built for incredible feats. They have strong, wide wings and powerful chest muscles, perfect for long flights and quick takeoffs. Their eyes are some of the sharpest in the animal world. Pigeons can see ultraviolet light and recognize patterns and faces. Their beaks are perfectly shaped for picking seeds, grains, and tiny pebbles, which help them digest food. Inside their heads, pigeons have an internal compass. They can sense Earth's magnetic field and use the sun to navigate. Pigeons even have an amazing memory. They can learn maps, spot landmarks, and return home from hundreds of miles away. In this segment, we take a close-up look at the pigeons' biology and the science behind their flying superpowers. Pigeons may live in big flocks, but each one is a skilled individual. They're highly social birds that build nests in high places, ledges, roofs, cliffs, or even statues. Both parents care for their young. They take turns sitting on eggs and feed their chicks with a special liquid called pigeon milk. Pigeons spend their days looking for food, grains, seeds, and small scraps from humans. But pigeons are also famous for their ability to find their way home. They can return from hundreds of miles away using Earth's magnetic field, the sun's position, and landmarks they remember. Some pigeons have even been trained to deliver messages during wars or compete in races. In this segment, we explore the behavior and daily life of pigeons and what makes them some of the most impressive urban birds. They can fly up to 600 miles in a single day. Some pigeons have won medals for bravery, delivering life-saving messages during wartime. Pigeons have been trained to spot cancer cells, find lost people, and even recognize famous artworks. A group of pigeons is called a kit or a loft. Pigeons bob their heads when they walk to help stabilize their vision. Pigeons might be common, but they're anything but ordinary. For thousands of years, pigeons have lived alongside humans, helping us send messages, study the skies, and learn about animal intelligence. In cities, they play a quiet role in cleaning up scraps and spreading seeds. But many people overlook pigeons or think of them as pests. The truth is, pigeons are survivors, and they're an important part of the city's ecosystem. Today, scientists study pigeons to better understand memory, navigation, and even vision. By protecting wild spaces, reducing pollution, and treating animals with respect, we help keep urban nature in balance. Let's remember what we've discovered. Pigeons are clever, curious, and caring parents. They can fly long distances and always find their way home, and they've played an amazing role in both history and science. Thanks for exploring with us. Until next time, keep wondering.